Okay, I'm at the beach doing some functional needle felting, and I'm working on this hat. This is a ball, a form that goes inside the hat so that when I make the hat it's got something to push into that creates the shape. So if we look carefully you'll see that some of the fibre is felted coming along and some is not felted. So this is my needle felting tool. This has tiny barbs on it, so when you push it in they transport fibres down into the deeper parts and they get tangled up. So needle felting is incredibly easy. In fact, it's ridiculously easy. Look how simple it is. So you just look for the places that need felting and you felt them. And when you work with a felt fibre like this, it's not a fabric, it's not a yarn, it's a substance. This is a substance. We must think of it as a substance that we can actually rip apart and recombine and then felt together. There are no seams, there's no joins, it all just merges into itself, and it's really amazing stuff. So whoever knew that the humble needle felting tool could actually be a survival tool? If you've got access to wool and you've got a needle felting tool, you can create items like this. So this is a Possum-Merino hat and it's part of the Possum-Merino felt project. Okay, thanks for watching.